So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a caption to an image here on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, which I have open, go ahead and press on your photo. Go to the top right, make sure that style is selected. So for example, if you're on image, make sure that style is selected. Then scroll down to where it says caption and make sure that caption is selected. Now as you can tell, the caption's right here. So this is my caption. Just like that. It's a little bit hard to see, so what I'll do here is I'll just make the color of the font kind of darker. I will also make it a little bit larger and I'll bold it. So there's my caption right here. What this does is it now follows your photo around, and if you make your photo larger or smaller, it'll adapt accordingly. If you want to get rid of the caption, press on your photo, uncheck caption, and it's gone just like that. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add a caption to an image here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.